Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best oil additives on Amazon. You already know how critically important regular oil changes are for your car. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Moly Cera Tech Friction Modifier. Here's another additive made by Moly that's well worth considering. Moly Cera Tech Friction Modifier. This product is a bit different than the last. It's actually made to balance with any type of commercial motor oil. That means you can travel for a long distance without getting worried about switching your oil additive to work with a specific type of commercial motor oil. Once activated, the oil additive will eliminate any deposit blocking the filter system. It is rare to come across an oil additive that won't compromise its quality in either extremely cold or hot environments, but this product doesn't fall short of that expectation. It even gets rid of the annoying white smoke emissions when starting the vehicle. The 300 ml bottle can be blended with up to 5 liters of engine oil. The texture of this Moly product is thick, making it hard to put it into an oil filler. The smell is also unpleasant and could be a turn-off. However, it is still a solid option, especially for drivers with older cars. Number 2. Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Older cars with high mileage engines tend to need something a bit different from brand new vehicles. And if you drive an older model year vehicle, you'll want to take a close look at Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. It's a reliable product that proves to be quite beneficial for old engines. It increases the oil life and reduces the overall oil consumption, maintaining the engine for a longer time. The 100% petroleum product is designed to eliminate dry starts and reduce friction, which eliminates noise and prolongs the engine's lifespan. With this product, your vehicle will become quieter and run smoother. The formula is quite powerful, so you only need a drop or two of this liquid to regularly maintain your car, truck, and other vehicles. Also, the liquid doesn't change the viscosity of the oil, and it protects the cylinders and piston rings. One of the downfalls with this product comes from the fact it's not the best option for new engines. While it proves to be rather efficient with old engines, it could be too sticky for new ones and glue the filth. Number 3. Hot Shot Secret Oil Additive. What makes the Hot Shot Secret Oil Additive stand out is the powerful formula that cleans and maintains the engine. The product increases the overall engine power, removes deposits, and reduces friction and noise. On top of that, it doesn't contain any harmful acids that could damage the engine, so your vehicle will be perfectly safe. This oil additive is very efficient in protecting the engine components and stabilizing the oil. You can use it on both diesel and gas engines. The product quickly gets rid of deposits, improves mileage, and lubricates the oil pump, rings, pistons, injectors, and more. The results show almost immediately, resulting in more enjoyable rides. Number 4. Motorkit Hyper Lubricant. Sometimes, spending more to get a high-quality and highly effective product is best, and that's the case with Motorkit Hyper Lubricant. This Motorkit lubricant is suitable for almost all synthetic and petroleum-based oils. Its main benefit is versatility, as the product works on both gas and diesel engines. The manufacturer and professional mechanics recommend it for all automotive and machinery purposes, so you can use it on cars, trucks, lawnmowers, and other equipment. And though it's pricier than many other options on our list, it can be a worthwhile investment if it suits your needs. The Motorkit lubricant is quite effective in reducing friction and heat for better engine performance. It helps the engine run smoothly and quietly and prevents dry starts, which ensures more enjoyable rides and a longer engine lifespan. Also, the liquid isn't too sticky and won't clog. The main setback with this product might be its price. The 1-gallon bottle turns out to be rather expensive, although it does last for a long time. Number 5. Prolonged Super Lubricants Engine Treatment. The Prolonged Super Lubricants Engine Treatment features an anti-friction formula that works for both diesel and gas engines. It's a powerful yet safe product that works well on cars, motorcycles, trucks, and machinery. The product is simple to use, and the results show almost immediately. The liquid interacts with the metal surfaces and bonds to make a protective layer that reduces friction and heat. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.